Okay, my friend, Will here with FXAUUSD.com. I'm back again with our weekly best trading setup for the week ahead. This week we are looking at the Aussie Canadian dollar, and in this video I'm gonna go over the analysis of the position, give you the entry price, stop loss price, and take profit price. Also the reasoning behind the trade. So if you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the actual setup. As always, if you've watched my videos for a while or you know my main trading methods, I work from the higher time frames down. I look for trading areas on the higher time frames, i.e. the weekly and the monthly. I always want to know what is happening and where price is in relation to the higher time frames. And I think for any serious trader, they need to understand that also. Simply looking at one time frame chart does not work. You need to look at all the time frames, the whole market as a whole, and that's how you get objective, high probability trading ideas, like I do for my clients week in, week out. Okay, so let's get into the actual setup. Okay, so just move that. Looking at the monthly charts. Okay, got this monthly area here, and this is a small monthly area here, but if we look inside this monthly, we're at this weekly area here that actually started this move up here. Okay, so I'll just highlight that now. This was the position I took last week. I'm still waiting for it to break out to the upside. If it happens, price action is indicating it is going to happen. We will see. Okay, so this is the weekly. Okay, we had this up move here, then we had the pullback. This swing low was the start of the move that caused the all-time high this since last year. Well, this year was the all-time high. I think it was, yeah, start of the year in February. Okay, was the all-time high in this leg up here. So this is an area of interest for me to look to buy the market. Okay, next what I want to do is zoom down to the lower time frames, i.e. the daily, the 4-hour, and look for evidence of price action is slowing down. Momentum of this selling pressure is slowing down. You can already see that in the weekly charts here. If you look at this, you can see this kind of downward pressure here. Change of structure here. Buyers come in, they couldn't push it up to create the new high. The market continues to drop. But as you can see here, over recent weeks, the market is slowly moving sideways here. Okay, accumulating after a drop in price at this weekly area of interest. Okay, so we'll zoom into the daily charts. You can see this a lot more clearly on the daily charts. Okay, we've had this drop of price, a lot of choppy price action here as it's entering and inside this zone. What I'm also looking for is the divergence signals happening. You can see we're getting a lot of MACD divergence signals here happening. Okay, so this is indicating a really good possible setup for the week ahead. Okay, and we're going to go over that now. What I'm looking, basically I'm looking to take this at 93 100, or basically on the first 1 hour or 4-hour divergence. Okay, likely down around this area here. I think the market will come down towards this kind of choppiness here and then rally up. Okay, I am expecting this to maybe break out to the upside this week. We will see. Get failed again last week, and see the choppiness here at 93. Okay, the market may come down, test this area, and then rally up. Might actually pop down through, create a bear trap, and then rally to the upside. We will see this week. So that is the reasoning behind the trade. Very, very simple position on this entry. You can see with this drop in price, we're at this weekly area that was the start of this leg up that caused the all-time high in this move up from February last year. Okay, it was also from this low. Okay, and I'm expecting the market to rally up here. So entry price, again, we're going to look at the entry price here. Let's see what this work in here. Okay. So entry price for this. Okay, just gonna insert the text here, is a lot easier. And it's going to be sell. Sorry, buy AUD CAD at 93,100. 0.93,100. Or or the first MACD divergence signal that happens on the 1 hour, 4 hour, or daily chart. If you haven't got this indicator already, simply send me an email at will@thefxas.com and I will send it to you. Otherwise, if you're watching this on YouTube, there will be a link below where you can actually download the actual indicator. Okay, so the stop loss on this. Okay, let's have a look at the stop loss. And that's disappeared on me. So I'll enter the stop loss first, and then I'll tell you why I'm using that stop loss. Okay, so buy AUD CAD at 0.931, or the first MACD divergence signal happens in the 1 hour, 4 hour daily chart. Okay, and stop loss, I'm going to do 120 pips. Insert text. Remember, as always, trade at your own risk. This is simply what I'm doing in the week ahead. So 0.91800, and okay, first little bit of resistance I'm going to expect is around about 97 in this move up. So if this breaks out, we could see a move up to the 97 area first, and we'll see what happens there. You can see that could also be on the weekly charts a head and shoulders pattern. We will see. This could pop up the 0.97 and then drop. Okay, that gives us nearly a 3-to-1 risk reward in this position. Okay, take profit is nice and simple at 97. Okay. Okay, so write that down, the position. Pause the video, you can take screenshots. Remember, trade at your own risk. And that's exactly what I'm doing this week. This is the entry that I'm sending to my clients this week. And yeah, so stop loss. Basically, you want to put the stop loss underneath this daily area here. Okay, you can see this daily area is at 92,500. The weekly area, you can see, is around 91. So the stop loss, if it breaks down towards there at 91,800, it's going to stop me out, and I was wrong on the entry. But looking at the price action, looking at the indicators here, this could be a very good setup this week. We will see. Okay, if you want to access the full list of 23 signals for the week ahead, simply click the link below or contact me at will@thefxas.com. As always, have a fantastic week, and I shall see you on the next trading video.